everybody, it's Monday, and I was asked late last week to make a video on this stock as AQST. Actually, in the last week I've been asked to make videos on quite a lot of stocks, and don't worry guys if your video doesn't come out tonight. I am probably processing it, thinking about it, and it probably will be made in the next few days, so do bear with me. I'm trying to work around to all of you guys' suggestions, but in this one we just happen to be covering this stock, which is AQST. Now, this is a stock that isn't doing too bad on the 1 day or on the 5 day either. On the 1 day it's up by 5.17%, and on the 5 day we've seen that green trend emerge as well. So the intention of this video is to do a quick technical analysis and also look at where we are with this stock, generally speaking when it comes to how it's been moving and what I would personally do based off those technicals. Now bear in mind guys, this is a technical analysis only. If you guys do want to see a fundamental analysis of this stock, make sure to let me know in the comment section. It is definitely something that I can do for you guys, but you are all seeming to like the technical videos more than anything at the moment, so that is what we are making as time goes on. But it could all change if your opinions do as well. But we're going to be diving into this one right now. If it sounds good, make sure to of course leave a like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. You'll be helping out the channel massively and all that sort of good stuff. But as always guys, remember this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Be aware of the risk, make sure you know what you get yourself into, and now that I've mentioned that to you, we're going to jump into this video looking at AQST. So one thing that I'm going to let you guys know immediately is that my mouse is not working today for some reason, and also I have a bit of a sore throat, so clearly things are not going too well tonight. But if the quality of video is a little bit different, please do bear with me as we are having a few difficulties. So on the 1 day, you will see one thing is clear: an upward trend is happening with AQST. Now, most of this was happening towards the end of day, realistically, where we had that push up from this price point here, which you'll see is about 405 to 407, perhaps even 402. But realistically, that is a big push up in the day. Zoom out to the 5 day, one thing will become clear. We had a big push up, going forwards into today in total. We had a big push up on open, so we had a very strong post hours / pre hours from Friday going into this Monday, which is very nice. And again, that has put us a lot higher than where we are right now. And then we just had that growth towards the end of today, which did add to that, which is always a good thing. But one thing that we have seen on the 1 day chart for the stock is a clear trend. We have managed to find a level of consolidation around where we are right now. So I would say this would be in the $4 range almost exactly, dipping down to 3.99s for a little while here. But yeah, about $4 or so, we do appear to be consolidating there nicely throughout the entire day, which is a really good sign. Bear in mind guys, how much we are up in the past week. Lows in the past 5 days down here, 370, if not a bit lower. So you can see we have been up big since then, and again we do want to kind of remain above the $4 level. We want to see a bit of a support now at the $4 mark and going forwards, and yeah, we do appear to be finding that, which is a really good sign for the stock and for the potential of it going up more in the future. So clearly on the simple charts, things are not looking too bad at all. We have found consolidation, like I said, that's a very good sign. Now what we want to look at is the 5 day chart, and also this is going to be on the technical side. We're also going to be looking at the 1 day and the 1 month as well. But on the 5 day chart, it shows us the clear trend over the past, obviously, 5 days. You will see that we are sat on that moving average exactly, which is quite uncommon, but we are seeing that, so it's nice. That is because, like I said, we have had that consolidation day, so we've had that opportunity now to catch up, which is a good sign. The RSI is at 43, so it's only 7 points from neutral, which isn't too bad. Coming down here to the MACD, we were bullish, but now we're becoming bearish. That is because we have had this spike up back here, and now we are dipping from that. So yeah, it is becoming a bit bearish on the 5 day chart. Zoom out to the past month, and you will see that the moving average this time is a bit higher than where we are right now, just because we have been dipping. And of course, this being a 50-day moving average, it is significantly lagging behind where we are right now, and that is what we are seeing for that data. The RSI figure is perfect, it's at 50. We want to keep it at 50 because 50 is neutral, but a bit of a leeway upwards or downwards is fine. So 50 is ideal, it's neutral, but going up to 60 or going down to 40 is also fine, or somewhere in that region. Now on the MACD trend, one thing is also clear down here. bearish trend has been happening on the MACD for a while. I can't really highlight it on the mouse, unfortunately, but you guys can see, and I will draw it on a pencil for whereabouts I'm talking about with the chart. So we'll get the pencil up, I'll talk about this period here. So this period here, if you look down to where the MACD is below this, which is the bottom indicator, you will see we're having these red candles start to emerge slowly. Now this is obviously a sign of a bearish trend, as you will notice, and of course these have been dipping lower and lower and lower, and we have had these lines cross over early on, and of course they have been pushing down. But what we are seeing now is from this point onwards, if it will let me highlight that, we're seeing these lines come closer together, which is good, and of course that is a very good sign for pushing upwards for a bullish trend. But we're also seeing about 4 or 5 candles now in the green, which is very good, and these candles are becoming more and more intense. The velocity of them is becoming better and better. So what does this mean? It means that going forwards into tomorrow, we absolutely do have that potential now to break above the middle line, which would obviously be the main sign of a very bullish trend appearing for the stock. Break above that middle line and we are back into bullish territory on the MACD, and that is ideally what we want to see. And you'll see that volume for today is a bit higher than what we have noticed in the past 5 or 10 days, which is good. Really, we have had volume today of about 474k, which isn't bad. So I'm very happy with that. I think going forwards for the stock, we are now in a good position. What do I want to see going forwards into tomorrow? Well, one thing would be ideal, and that is going to be consolidation above $4. From there, I want to see it start to push past that level and start to move up from there. But I want to see a bottom tomorrow. If we do hit it, I want to see an absolute bottom at $4, because I think that would be a nice new level of support. We have found support there today, and again, we've ended up the session in a perfect place to see support there. I think going forwards we are still in a very strong position to see higher moves with AQST potentially, you know, if things do continue to go in our favor. But if you guys do enjoy the video, of course I will give you more and more updates on this stock, so do subscribe, do give it a like so I can tell what you guys are enjoying. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you all again very, very soon. Thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that, guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.